You're welcome for Pop Shred's tip of the week.
Oh no.
Yeah. Jern. All right, so we had a little bit of an episode today. Jern's lock was all seized up. You see that? So what you got to do when you only have one key and it's about to break is you go get the universal key. It's right here. This is a 14-inch aluminum pipe wrench. Put it around here and give it a good yank and snap. Snaps them every single time. Next time you're out and about and your lock just won't agree with you, you educate it with a pipe wrench. Let's go.